Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase employee morale with Salesforce, complete guide step by step clearly. In this complete guide, we will explore how to increase employee morale using Salesforce. First, understand the needs and concerns of your employees. Conduct surveys to gather feedback on workplace satisfaction. Analyze the survey results to identify key areas for improvement. Next, leverage Salesforce's tools to streamline communication. Implement chatter to foster collaboration and interaction among team members. Encourage the use of dashboards to visualize team performance and celebrate successes. Create recognition programs within Salesforce to highlight outstanding employee contributions. Use automation features to reduce repetitive tasks and free up employees' time. Facilitate professional development by utilizing Salesforce's training modules. Provide access to resources that align with individual career goals. Set up regular check-ins through Salesforce to track progress and address concerns. Encourage team building by organizing virtual events using Salesforce communities. Promote a positive company culture by sharing success stories on the platform. Ensure transparency in decision-making processes to build trust among employees. Utilize Salesforce reports to provide insights that support employee growth. Regularly review and adapt strategies based on employee feedback. Foster a sense of belonging by encouraging diverse teams to collaborate. Maintain an open line of communication to address any ongoing issues. By following these steps, you can effectively use Salesforce to boost employee morale. Positive morale leads to increased productivity and overall workplace satisfaction. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.